Main spindle jogging on the Super HICELL 250. Sub spindle jogging on the Super HICELL 250. ZB HICELL Super HICELL plus ZB and minus ZB. The B axis rotating Super HICELL 250. X-axis movements on the Super HICELL 250, only running at 10%. Y-axis movements, Super HICELL 250. Plus Y and minus Y. Z-axis movement, Super HICELL 250. Plus Z and minus Z. Excellent control resolution on the FANUC 16 ITA control. You'll also see that the keyboard is very much intact. No worn buttons, no missing buttons. The control panel, all in excellent condition.